Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Z85 Max Smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to explore one of its smart function, and that is the Bluetooth music control function. As you can see here, we do have the volume control. What else do we have here? Play, pause, go forward, and backward. I don't know if we do have a title. Okay, so hopefully it will show the title of the song, so we will check that one. Okay, we will try to have a demo of the Bluetooth music control function of the Z85 Max Smartwatch. So if you are interested to see on how the Bluetooth music control function works with the Z85 Max Smartwatch, and whether it works with the built-in music player, Spotify, YouTube, and YouTube Music, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the Bluetooth music control function of the Z85 Max Smartwatch. The smartwatch is using the RD Fit, not the ZD Fit, the RD Fit Support App. So let's check if there are some settings for the Bluetooth music control. Okay, we do have the take photo here, the watch face market. Seems like all we have to do is just open the music player and of course the Bluetooth music menu here, and let's control the music on our smartphone with our smartwatch. Okay, so let's go directly. Let's open the app here. So we have the built-in music player here from Samsung, and let's open the music control. Okay, deeper meaning. Let's adjust the volume. Tap on it. Okay, so we have a title here. As you can see, we have the volume adjustment. We can pause and play. So far, very good so far for our Z85 Max Smartwatch. Next. Next. Adjust the volume. Pause. Next. Okay. Stop. Go backward. Play. Does it work? Okay. Go back. And stop. Okay, so far as you can see here, the built-in music player works with our Z85 Max Smartwatch. And the good thing is we do have a title here, the volume adjustment, as well as the play, pause, and go forward function. Okay, so it works with our built-in music player. Next, let's try Spotify, but we will mute the sound here to avoid any copyright issues. Spotify. Let's play this one. So as you can see here, it changes the title, Die with a Smile. Next, There's Nothing Holding by Shawn Mendes. Next, Bruno Mars, Treasure. Stop. Play. Next. Okay, so we do have an advertisement. Next, let's wait. About 20 seconds here. Let's wait for it to finish. Then next song. Okay, still have another one. We'll just stop it. Okay, but so far as you can see, it works with our built-in music player. Okay, and as you can see, we can see the title here. We can adjust the volume, play, pause, go forward. Okay, so it works with the Spotify application. So we will not finish the ads here. Let's proceed with the YouTube. Okay, so let's listen to this one. Okay, let's adjust the volume. Nice, very good so far. 20 most mysterious place. Next, 20 horrifying things. Next, architecture mysteries. Stop. Next. Next. We'll just wait for the ad here. Okay.
Weird and wonderful artifacts are being found all the time, but it's hard work
Stop.
learning all.
Next.
History stretches back a
Okay,
really
go back.
all the secrets of our
Stop.
forefathers.
Okay, as you can see, it works also with the YouTube Music. We have the title, the volume adjustment, go forward, backward, and pause. The last one is the YouTube Music control. So in our case again, to avoid any copyright issues, we will adjust the volume just to be safe. Next, play it here. Jenny and what's this? Dochi with the extra L. Okay, next, Lisa, Born Again. Stop. Play. Next, Ice Cream. Next, stop. Go back. Play. Next. 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 Stop. Okay, so it works also, and as you can see, the response time is very good with our Z85 Max Smartwatch Bluetooth music control function. And so far, the smartwatch did not disappoint us. It has a title, and it works smoothly with a built-in music player, Spotify, YouTube, and YouTube Music. Very good. We do have a very good experience so far with its built-in music control function. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.